Okay, we're recording. Lucy's got it.
Look what I got. It's a bag.
Okay.
Who's on it? Do you know who that is, Luce?
Uncle Sid.
Oh, you wouldn't think I looked too cute this morning. What do we got in here? We got, this is to Aunt Pam from Lucy and Will.
There, she acts like Mr. Pilepsy, huh?
Aunt Pam from Lucy and Will. What do we got? What do we got? Aw, little owl ornament. Is that you, me, and Will?
Lucy picked those out for you.
I love owls. Thank you very much.
I'll do it if you want to go open some more.
You can. Ooh, what's this?
I can help you. Right?
You can't help me?
Sure.
Go ahead. Help me. To Pam's Volcanic. 2nd Avenue. Do I live here? What's this? What's this? Very exciting. What is this? A D? Merry Christmas and enjoy. Holy cool! What is this cool thing? You got me cooking classes? Very neat. I get 2 days at the Glen Ridge Farm Cooking School. Oh, 2 people. You and a guest will enjoy with Chef Owen. That's very cool. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
You're
Merry Christmas.
welcome.